Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful tree of life Dreamcatcher. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need a sturdy metal hoop, ideally 6 to 8 inches across, along with 20-gauge craft wire. Also, prepare an assortment of small, colorful beads and some yarn or string for weaving. Don't forget your wire cutters, round nose pliers, and a good pair of scissors. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Now, let's start forming the majestic tree trunk. Take your 20-gauge craft wire and securely wrap one end around the bottom section of your metal hoop. Once anchored, begin twisting several strands of wire together, creating a robust and visually appealing central trunk. Aim for the trunk to extend upwards approximately 1/3 of the hoop's total diameter, providing a solid foundation for your tree. With the trunk established, it's time to weave the intricate branches. From the top of your central trunk, gently separate the wire strands, guiding them outwards to form distinct branches. As you extend each branch, thread on a few small beads to symbolize vibrant leaves or delicious fruit. Once a branch reaches the hoop, securely wrap its end around the metal frame, ensuring it is firmly attached. To complete your stunning tree of life Dreamcatcher, carefully trim any excess wire and tuck in all sharp ends, ensuring a smooth and safe finish. Now, personalize your creation by attaching decorative elements such as soft feathers, meaningful charms, or extra beads to the bottom of the hoop. Finally, find a special place to hang your beautiful, handcrafted Dreamcatcher, allowing it to bring peace and inspiration to your space.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.